You will likely get this message towards the beginning even if the auto empty station came with the vacuum. This message is almost always bogus. Besides, the two different docking stations will work together. I've never had them confuse each other if on a different floor or in the same room for a different vacuum, so just ignore it. Get a message to change the bag, but when you check, there's hardly anything in it. I'm not going to say don't check your bag, but most of the time it is okay. I speculate the message is displayed by how many times the dustbin is run. It is when it actually tells you to change the bag after every time it empties. You want to check the bag and likely change the bag, but also check the screen at the bottom of the auto empty station underneath the dust bag. This can accumulate dirt. This message will keep playing until the problem is corrected. If you're wanting to put tape on your drop sensors because of dark flooring causing a problem, the tape on the front two sensors can interfere with the dustbin function. It seems the worst culprit is white tape. I've tested other colored tape plus painting tape. They don't seem to have an issue. However, I do want to warn you about covering the drop sensors if you actually do have stairs. I have seen no-go lines fail. On continuous cleaning, even though you still receive this wording, the way it works has changed. This was before. Now it has a smart recharge where it tries to calculate how much charge will be required to finish the vacuum job.
Low battery. Returning to charge. Starting charging.
For me, the smart recharging did a pretty good job trying to estimate the charge needed. Sometimes it would charge too much. One time it charged too little. I had to recharge a second time. And sometimes it worked exactly as expected, charged just enough to finish the job. I'm not even going to speculate what type of algorithms it has to use. Considering it's a new feature, it worked pretty well, but it does require a few tweaks. I do want to remind you this function only works in auto cleaning mode. Hope you found this helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Until next time.